Welcome to episode 83 of Paper Brief, where we delve into innovative research in tech and ML. Today we're joined by our expert Cleo to unpack a fascinating paper on using large language models to aid communication for those with severe motor impairments. Cleo, can you start us off by explaining the crux of this paper?
Sure, happy to. The paper presents something called Speak Faster, which integrates large language models with a user interface designed specifically for text entry using highly abbreviated input. The aim is to drastically reduce the motor actions required for individuals with motor impairments, making communication faster and easier.
That sounds quite game-changing. How does Speak Faster actually work to achieve these improvements in speed?
Well, Speak Faster leverages the predictive power of these language models to expand abbreviations and predict longer phrases, which significantly reduces the keystrokes needed. For example, using this system, users can type initials and have the model predict the full sentences or phrases.
Brilliant. And what kind of results did they see? Were their goals met?
Absolutely. The results were quite promising. In their offline simulations, they saw a 57% reduction in motor actions compared to traditional predictive keyboards. Plus, they conducted tests with individuals with ALS, yielding an increase in text entry rates by 29 to 60%.
After the music break, coming back to a key point, were there any downsides or trade-offs reported in the study?
There's always a balance to strike. For instance, while there were significant improvements in motor savings, the overall typing speed was not dramatically affected for non-AAC users. It demonstrates a degree of cognitive load as users learn to work with the system's predictions.
That makes sense, and it seems there could be a learning curve to it. How complex is the technology behind this system?
The technology's core is indeed complex, involving fine-tuned LLMs to intelligently expand text. But the beauty lies in its interface, which simplifies the experience, letting the underlying complexity serve the user without overwhelming them.
I see. It's sophisticated tech, made user-friendly. Now, where does the paper suggest we could go from here? Any future directions mentioned?
The paper points towards continued exploration of these accelerated communication methods. We're looking at fine-tuning for enhanced accuracy and addressing any user interface challenges to ensure these solutions are as accessible and effective as possible.
Thanks, Cleo, for breaking this down for us and our listeners. It's remarkable to see how LLMs can have such a transformative impact.
The pleasure's all mine. It's truly exciting to witness and discuss such cutting-edge applications of machine learning that can change lives.
And that wraps up our episode today. Thank you for tuning into Paper Brief, where we take you through the latest in tech and ML research. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.